Okay. Oh, it's so nice. Front of the box. Top of the box. Side of the box. Back of the box. Other side of the box. This fucking thing is so fucking nice. I don't even want to open it. No, because we get like fucking 2 and 3 of them. Let's find the box. So. Yeah, it's packed in like the Rattler. I mean the Dragonfly is. Over a little on the side. Ooh-wee. Accessory box. You guys can see that. No, I'm not sure what box this is. This shit is nice, boy. These are the last spots I took out. I cracked this open for a preview of these and then I stopped the video so it doesn't get too long. Wait, upside down. So this is all Rattler parts here. Oh, that's so tough. So this is more Rattler parts. Yep, more Rattler parts. Oh shit. Check that shit out. They don't let us see this shit. So this has got to be the figure right here. This shit makes me want a fucking Cobra Rattler or something for the room. Anthony was right. You gotta get a landing strip. Yeah. So here's the books, the stickers and patches. You guys see that? tray with all the little weapons, all the bombs and missiles, and then the figures, of course. And then Baroness. Yank. This shit is awesome. Wild Weasel. And then the Cobra Gunner. Yeah, I'll stop it there and take some pictures and stuff so we don't get too long.